Sometimes people want to add pictures to their website rather than just have colorful boxes. So if we look at this, we can see that this is actually a picture. If I go inside of this code here, I can find the word magna, and I can just do Control F and find magna, and it's got that. There should be another magna in there. There it is. This one is the word magna. That's this word right here, and it's got a picture associated with it called pic01.jpg. It's actually in a folder called images. So images pic01.jpg. So now I can go and I can look for that folder. So I go into my directory, George, and I go into images. I got to look for images pic01.jpg. So images pic01.jpg. Okay, if I hover over it, you can see the dimensions of this thing are 353 by 326. 353 by 326. That means that the width is 353 and the height is 326. You can kind of tell that it's a little slightly bit wider than it is tall. And if I go to this one here, you can see this one, it's 1152 by 326. So you can see that one's much wider than it is tall. So I don't like any of these pictures. I want to find another picture to put in there, but I want to try to make it the same size as all these other pictures, so I've got to make it 353 by 326. So let's go look for a picture. What are we going to find? Cat, because everybody looks for cat pictures on the internet, so I'm going to be no different. And I'm going to go to images.google.com. Images.google.com. And I'm going to type in there cat 353326. Sometimes you can say 353 by 326 with an X in there, and it'll find you a cat that's the right size. It doesn't always work, but you might find that. Let's see if I can get a cat that's the right size. And it's always hard to find cats. So sometimes what I'll do, like here's a picture that's you want to find, if you can't find a picture that's exactly that size, try to find one that's a little bit bigger. So I'll find one that's cats, and let's see if there's one. Here's multiple cats. 2000, that's too big. We want something that's kind of close to 353 by 326. So wow, that's a pretty funny looking cat. So this one's close enough, I suppose. We can try. I'm gonna try to find a small one that's got good cat picture. Let's try this one. So what I do is I click on the picture that I like, and then I click on View Image, and I right-click on the picture, and I do Save Picture As. I'll save picture as. It's got a long, crazy name, but I'm going to call mine pic01a.jpg. And I can just call it pic01a because it's already set up as a JPG file here. And I'm going to save this on my desktop, and inside of this George folder, and inside images. I'm going to save this pic01, I'm going to save it inside there, because that's where I want the picture to be. And the reason I called it 01A is because the other one's 01, so this one's going to be 01A. I'll know which one it is. So now what I've got to do is I've got to go to this picture, this cat picture, and I have to make it, it's right now it's 599 by 261. I have to make it 353 by 326. So I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to do Open With, and I'm going to open it with Paint. Paint is a drawing program. So I'm going to do Control A and select the whole picture. I'm going to drag it over a little bit so that it gets into my cutting area, and then I'm going to do Control E, and I'm going to do 353 by 326. Now I have a picture that's perfectly exactly the size that I need it to be. Sometimes you might have some extra space that you need to do something with. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make the bottom of this be black, and I'm going to go into the paint can, click on black, and I'll just put black underneath it. Maybe gray would be better. I don't know. But then I'm going to save this picture, and now this is my new pic01.jpg. Now if I go to this file and I change images pic01, I change this to pic01a, whoops. If you ever make that mistake, hit Control Z and it goes back to the original one. So pic01a, now I save this file, my indexed HTML file, and it works. If I go to this website again, now if I try to hit refresh, instead of having that, I'll have my cat. And it's perfectly sized. If you don't make the size perfect, sometimes it won't, the squares won't match up. So now you've learned not only how to make all the words of the page change, but also how to add pictures.